How do I miss? How do I work with missing milestones? Now, Brooke, what you're saying is very common. I had all my milestones, but he hated being on his back. So you didn't have all your milestones, right? Babies don't hate anything. They're unable to do something. So one of your first milestones is really an absolute horizon. It was where you can take a baby and just pass them and go that and whatever. And really they go right into tummy time and all those things. These aren't goals. And the rolling over, again, the quality of it is there. What I'm looking for in the eyes, something's bugging me with the left eye. It just seems darker. Now, it doesn't seem that way with the light. Because if you're looking for something to be there, the light usually shines it up because it reflects, almost like you get that red eye with the camera. But if you look at his videos and so forth, that left eye looks darker and wider. And I would like to have that checked out. You want a retinoscopy done. I'm not worried about the acuity, but I just want to make sure that there's something okay with the structure. Can't put my finger on it, and I'm not here to scare you. That's not the point, but I want that checked out. I actually had Diane look at it too, and she was the one who said, shine the lights before I say anything. But I can't not say anything because you did a live and you're asking for it. So, but with the vision also, you're not seeing a smooth where the midline wants to be crossed. And so you're seeing the crawling externally, but I can tell you right now, I doubt seriously that he can come to sitting through his back. He's coming to sitting, rolling through his belly, pushing up and getting up that way, and then going off of crawling, because you're seeing more of that kind of crawl. The crawl is not this kind of crawl. And that's where the inconsistencies are. But the inconsistencies came from just weak foundational milestones, and he could have had a much better pubic bone strike. So, but it's the midlines that are coming there because they're grabbing. The feet was off. He grabbed his feet, but he didn't have that pump when he was doing it. Again, he was having the locomotion of milestones, but he wasn't having the quality that you're looking for. And so those little quality deviations are showing up. You can work on my all fours crawling course. I'd go back a little bit. Unfortunately, the pubic bone strike is only in the support programs where they have all my courses in them. Or to work on that. Don't go to the standing yet because you want a better foundation on his floor skills, right? And that's where you're there. So again, I'm not seeing the handwork like this. It's more still the grab. Because again, the rotations are just off. You can tell that by even when he's sleeping to do the newborn movement assessment. But I just give me a couple of more videos on that eye thing. That's one of the things I'm looking at. Maybe you'll see, you'll agree with me or not. But there's just a darkness to the eye, and I'm just, like I said, my little antennas are going up on that one, and I'm usually a freak that way. So, and that's what we're looking at. But that's what you're looking for. Don't beat yourself up. You're only wiser 5 minutes after the fact. You're not wiser there. And nobody's teaching you milestones like I do. So then you have that problem. So that's what we're going after. So let's work on better foundational milestones, even if we're going back into the sitting ones. But you can work on the the going into all fours course. But that's what you're looking at with that. And so he's going for the locomotion, but you're not getting that finesse of the crawl that you're looking for. And now he's also getting stuck because going vertical is going to be laborious because if he's pushing, that's the problem, guys. When they're pushing up into all fours into sitting, then they're going to push up into standing. And we don't push up into standing. And so we just stand. And we don't pull up to standing either. And that's where, again, these little deviations become bigger. Thanks.